All right, we're back again with a video on Math Models Unit 7, now Lesson 5. This is turning towards buying homes and kind of just some basic information ideas about kind of what kinds of fees and things you have to pay when you purchase a home. And they give you an example of all the different fees that come with buying a home. And I can tell you from experience that it gets pretty annoying when you keep finding out all the things you have to pay for um, as you get closer and closer to doing that. First thing, there's going to be some vocab, so just knock that out. And then it has just some questions. It's mostly percentage questions. You're just going to be multiplying to find different values using percentages. So they have Sean and his wife are purchasing a home. The cost of the home is $187,500. They will be required to pay a down payment of 5% of the purchase price and pay closing costs of 7%. So down payment is just how much you're paying up front. Like you're not going to borrow that part. Closing costs are really just to cover those fees that I was talking about. And it's probably a little high for real life, but close enough. So all we're going to do is we're going to take 187,500 and we are going to multiply it and we're going to find what the percent of each of those is. So like 5% of 187,500. And then we're going to find 7% of 187,500. So literally all I'm doing is finding 5% and 7%. And then I'm adding those numbers up. So 9,375 plus 13,125, and I get 22,500. There it is right there. So you're going to be multiplying the down payment percentage times this, the closing cost percentage times the cost, and adding up the answers that you get. Then it talks about property taxes. What are the annual property taxes on a home that costs $187,500 if the local property tax rate is 2.34%? Again, basic percentage problem. Basic. 2.34% of 187,500. That is all you have to do. Percent of the amount, 4,387.50. There it is. That's how much you pay in taxes in Austin every year on owning a home. More of the same. Percent, cost of the home. Multiply by percentages, add the answers. This is another property tax rate. Percent times your cost. All of these are the same. I'm not going to do any more of these. I think they're pretty basic. You need to multiply the percentages by the cost, add them up if it's the closing cost question. If it's property tax, you just straight up multiply it and get the answer. And then you are done with that lesson. I want you to be pretty quick.